So you've been in the industry a long time as far as such a young industry is concerned. What still gets you excited about drones? I mean, you're still
Yeah.
here, so something has to, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's a nice little home. This industry, it's an interesting place. I'd say like kind of number one is the people and kind of the characters you see in the drone industry are very exciting. And I think especially right now, it's kind of we're in between so many things that I think are going to change the industry when we're waiting for regulations and we're kind of seeing more competition arise. So we see a player like Skydio talking about automation. I don't think automation is going to be all flights are going to be autonomous next year, but I think that's going to fundamentally shift the whole space of the drone industry, and even how these non-DJI competitors are playing is going to also shift how the market is structured as well. So I mean, there's that's interesting to me. There's the regulations, the potential for deliveries, but I'm not so gung ho about deliveries as I think a lot of other people are in the industry. And I think at some time when we're all so focused on UTM and delivery, we're kind of in some way ignoring the applications that exist today that I think are really impactful to the world. And so I think package deliveries will be a nice addition. I don't think they're going to solve all the world's problems. And I think they will stay kind of niche to some regard for at least a while. It'll be interesting to see how they kind of collide with autonomous vehicles and start competing for a similar space.